Generally, English sentences are mainly of three types. One is simple sentence, the second one is compound sentence, and the third one is complex sentence. Write down. Good morning, class. As you know, my dear friends, today we will discuss a new topic, that is sentence. Okay, let me tell you first. Who can say? Raise your hands. What is sentence? Yes, Madhu. Yes, good girl. A word or a group of words which makes a meaningful sense or complete sense is called a sentence. Now write down. Now see, a word or a group of words which makes a complete sense or meaningful sense is called a sentence. Are you clear, Rahul? Yes. Tell me, what is sentence? Good. A word or a group of words which makes a meaningful sense is called a sentence. Now there are three types of sentences are in English language and literature. Simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Once again, each and every sentence has two parts. That means in generally a sentence has two parts. The first one is subject part and the second one is predicate part. See, types of sentence, I have already told you that simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Each and every sentence has two parts. The first part is subject part, that is shorted SP, and the second part is known as predicate part, that is shorted as PP. Subject part and a predicate part. Each and every sentence has two parts. The first part is subject part and the second one is predicate part. Clear, class? See, what is simple sentence? A simple sentence refers one finite verb. It has one finite verb. Then only we call it as simple sentences. Okay? Dear class, in simple sentence we found four types of sentences. What are that? Now that are mainly declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Let's discuss the sentences. Each and every sentence has two parts as I have told you previously. The first part is subject part. What are that? The first part is subject part and the second part is the predicate part. Simply we have to remember one thing in our mind, that predicate part begins with the verb. Okay? Okay. This is the predicate part. Is blue. Is blue is the predicate part and the sky is subject part. Clear? Now in a declarative sentence, it is also a statement form or it is a statemental. Statement form or it is a statemental. Declarative simply refers one finite verb. It is a statement like I am Rahul, she is Sita, Ramesh hits the ball, Sachin does a good job. So these are the statement form and we call it as the declarative sentence. Clear? Under imperative, imperative means the sentence which suggests, advise, order, command, request. These are the symptoms or criterion under which we can identify imperative. Please bring the salt, stand up, go there, close the door. Okay, clear? These are the imperative sentence. In course of discussion, interrogative means it suggests question form. When we put a question tag at the end of a sentence, it is just turned into interrogative. It is always two type, yes type and no type. Do you play the football? Yes, I do. I don't. Like this. Okay. Then the last one is exclamatory. It is always put a exclamation at the end of a sentence. Now see, let me tell you first. I have quoted one example here. What a splendid building. What a splendid building that was. And the symbol is like this. What a splendid building that was. This is called the exclamatory sentence. When we got astonished, amazed, surprised, in that case we call as what? Exclamatory. First we put a WH word, then some determiner, then adjective, then object, then some demonstratives, then verb, then exclamation. So this is the structure of a exclamatory sentence. Okay, it's your time, class. You just check yourself, underline subject part and circle the predicate part in the following statements. The first one is Ria plays. The second one is Rahul hits the ball. The third one is my mother loves me. The fourth one is my father works in an office. And the fifth one is birds fly. Are you clear? Akansha, tell me, it's your time. What is the subject part and what is the predicate part in the first sentence? Ria plays. Good. Ria is the subject part and plays is the predicate part. Sit down. Yes, Amit, now you have to stand up and say what is the subject part and what is the predicate part in the second bit. Rahul hits the ball. Yes, Amit. Good. Rahul is the subject part and hits the ball is the predicate part. Good. Now sit down. Please stand up and say, my mother loves me. What is the subject part? What is the predicate part, Bubbly? Okay. Good. My mother is the subject part and loves me is the predicate part. Good. Now you sit down. Okay. Now, Amya, you have to stand up and say, what is the subject part in the fourth sentence? My father works in an office, and underline the subject part and circle the predicate part. Okay, Amya, my father is the subject part, works in an office is the predicate part. Good. Now you sit down. Okay, Tulip, you stand up and say, fifth one, birds fly. Good. Birds is the subject part and fly is the predicate part. Okay, clear? Okay, students, today we will discuss a lot of things. What is sentence, types of sentence. Under simple sentence, there are a declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. And what are the subject part and predicate part? Are you clear, guys? Good. Okay, on the next class, we will deal with another new topic, that is what? That is conjunction. Clear?